on December 1, 1783, Charles and his assistant Robert soared into history with the first flight in a hydrogen-filled balloon. 1910, the Curtiss Aeroplane Company took flight in the business world. 1911, Lieutenant Arthur Longmore became the first person in the United Kingdom to take off from land and successfully land on water. 1925, the Boeing Airplane Company delivered the first of 10 FB-1s to the Navy. On this day in 1932, the Heinkel He 70 and Bernard 200 took to the skies for the first time. 1970, the Dassault Falcon 10 had its maiden flight. 1976, the Ahrens AR 404 made its debut. 1977, the Lockheed Have Blue flew for the first time. And on this day, in 1995, the air tractor AT-602 took its first flight.